What's the password? What's the password? Nah, that ain't it.
It's December 17th! Thursday is almost the weekend. And we've got a present to open for today. I hope you guys are doing good, staying safe, digging out, making snowmen, having snowball fights, going sledding. Do you guys still go sledding? So these are all the presents we've opened so far. Is this crazy? Remember that ornament and a case of vintage Lesney and Matchbox, some Hot Wheels, crazy classics packs, action packs. All these Corgi Cars, some cars from Miss K, some gifts from Adam. It is crazy fun. So, what are you thinking? I am thinking, I don't know, something big, something small. I'm thinking this one right here. I'm thinking maybe this one, these two. That should be a good opening. And then we got to find our advent calendar for the 17th. Here it is. It's a small one. So here's our presents. You ready to dig in? December 17th. Ready to rock and roll, baby. Let's dig into these babies. Hey, cats and kittens. It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. So here we go. Time to open up our advent calendar, which is at the top. Oh, cool. I thought it was another Dudinsky. Happy holidays button. That's kind of cool. Reminiscent of the old pins that they used to come in the redline packaging. I'm digging that. Little ornament, can hang it on the tree. If you got a tiny tree, we can put it right up in front. I just realized there was a snow ramp right there on the front of the calendar. So that's cool. So you ready to dig into these presents? I know I am. I'm sorry, I get all miscombobulated. You get a sneak peek of the surroundings as I whip my camera around in 1,000 different directions here. Let's see what we got. Now, this one came from Mr. Adam. So this is going to be cool, and it's clear on the side. And this wrapping paper, I've got this wrapping paper, and this is like microscopic thin. This is nice and thick. This holds your package in shape and in place. So, do we open this or this? This or this? I'm opening this. Let's see what's in here. It's always a good shape here. Let's see. And this tape is super tapey. He used the packing tape on this side. I love it. Let's see what we got here. It's taking me forever. Sorry, guys. Gals, cats, kittens, Elliots, and Maisies. What do we got here? Nice. He used a removable tape. Flying Customs. I haven't seen these. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, how Boulevard Cruiser. Look at this thing. Oh, your stores 2019. Oh, look at them all there. Oh, look, and they specialize it up on the top. I love when they do that. They call out the car. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars in the series. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, look at this truck. Volkswagen Caddy. Oh, I'm digging the green. That is, look at the, I love that paint job. Volkswagen pickup truck with a sunroof. And it's got a little open in it. There's like a little triangle. See that? That is interesting. Now, is that like a factory defect? Could be. Looks like it's melted funny. Oh. Extra cool toys inspired by Hot Wheels' heritage of speed, power, performance, and fun. Volkswagen Caddy. Here's all the other ones. Ford Toronto. Toronto. Look at louvered windows in the back. Mini Cooper. Boulevard Bruiser. Nissan 180SX Type X. Ford Mustang GT 2015. Volkswagen Caddy, which is this one. Custom V8 Vega. Oh, nice. 67 Chevy C10. Oh, these are cool. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. I like the plain white with a big picture of the car in there. Oh, look at this one. I love that green. Oh, Ford Torino. Look at this. Oh my gosh, is that not screaming 70s? Oh, look at that louvered window. That is fantastic. Oh, do I open these or not? I think I might be opening these. I got to. Oh, I hope these aren't rare. I know nothing about these. I haven't seen them. Again, living in my cave under the rock in the back. Look at this. That is so nice. Whoops, a doozer. Oh, the Vega. Custom V8 Vega. Look at the paint job on these. I'm telling you, these are totally cool. Red interior on that. Look, you could easily just little dab-a-do-ya with those skinny paintbrushes I got the other day. Add a little paint to those headlights and taillights. V8 Vega 2008. Look at that card though. The card is just very cool. Look at that. That is so nice. 2019. Oh, those are gorgeous. Oh, look at this. The Cooper. I'm loving the color scheme on these. It's such a flashback. Flying Customs. Look at that hippy dippy type. That is amazing. Look at the details on there. I love the racing stripes over the hood. Unfortunately, I guess our Miata could use a racing stripe. I really believe it. But I don't know if Big Mama would go for a racing stripe. Oh, look at that. That is sweet. Thank you, Adam. These are rocking. Oh, kind of speechless. Just really enjoying those. Okay. Here's our card so you know who we are. If you didn't see it up in the corner here, right here, that's who we are too. So here's our other present. A wrapped, kind of weird shape here. But let's see what we got. Feels good. Something cool, something exciting. Again, you never know. Oh, look at this thing. Oh. Now, I mean, I've had carriers before, but I don't remember them going over the cab. Matchbox Super King Transporter K11 DAF Car Transporter 1971. Super Kings Transporter 1970. So this trailer is slightly different. Got hinge, lock in the back. Oh, we're missing the piston on this side. That might be an easy fix. I don't know. Look at this. White interior on that. This is in pretty good condition. Nice wheels and tires. Oh, look at that. That is sweet. And then look at this. What if we just kind of tore these open just a little bit? Look at this. Oh, I'm loving the shape of this one. This one is just so fun. Again, a little speechless here. Sorry about that. Custom V8 Vega 2008. And look, it fits beautifully on the car carrier, right? Oh, and this Torino. Oh, it looks like it already got a rip-off here. So... Oh, I've committed to opening it. Oh, look at this. That is... Look at the interior on there. Nice black interior, not chromed or chrome bumpers on that. That is nice. Ford Torino upside down. Such a classic car. Oh, and look, fits beautifully here. Let's do this one. The Boulevard Bruiser. Oh, isn't that nice? Hot Wheels 20. Missing a little tempo there. Straight out of the package. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, I'm digging that. Right on top. That car carrier is working out pretty sweet. Oh, let's see this one. Opened up. Mini Coupe. Look at that. So much fun. Love those racing stripes. Blue interior, a little funkadelic on that, right? Oh, that is nice. (2011) Mini Cooper S Challenge. I'm going to just slide him underneath and in towards the back. And then we got a pickup truck. Volkswagen Caddy. I thought it was an Eldorado Caddy. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm digging this. No, that's that's molded that way. We got some see-through parts there. I don't know what that's for. On that sunroof, the bed. You've got a skateboard in the back. See that? Totally a riot. Again, throw a little paint on that skateboard and it'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, look at the plastic on the base. Doesn't go all the way back to the gate. Interesting. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. Volkswagen written beautifully across the back. Oh, look at that. So much fun. Volkswagen Caddy. Oh, look, and it fits. They all fit beautifully on this car transporter. How do you know? I needed 5 cars for the transporter, and he sent exactly 5 cars. That is sweet as can be. Adam, thank you so much for these cars. Thank you guys for coming in to the supper club. Go check out Adam A. Smith, and it's 62 something or other. You can see it in my comments, or you can check him out on Instagram. You would love to see his collection of cars. There are just some killer stuff, and he's got great photography skills too. I always dig those. So today is the 17th, and we're saying good night to the 17th. Oh, tomorrow is Friday. Next week is Christmas week. Holy smokes, we got a lot of presents to open still. Oh, are you ready? Oh, Friday, Saturday, Sunday should be good presents, right? I know a lot of people, they should be out shopping, but no, everyone's quarantined and all that stuff. Be safe out there, just be careful. And if you're traveling, just be safe. So here's the old track. If you miss it, we've had stuff piled on the track for weeks now. 2.5, almost 3 weeks. Here's our tool pile over there. Again, look at this. Such a wild thing. I think we might have to go racing after this Christmas thing is over and just kind of have a couple Race Fest videos and just do racing and see how some of these new cars work. What do you think? That would be good. So, thanks for coming into the supper club. You guys are great. I really appreciate all the bad phone. How dare they interrupt all this greatness? I'll see you tomorrow. I gotta go. I know you're a toy car case guy out there.
It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that?
This is the place to be!